Take a picture of that. Look at that. Yeah, it needs a little work on the outside. And like I said, he said he's selling it, so why not? Why not do this, to have fun? Just to show people what I can do, Look at that. That chrome, how that chrome looking. You get what I'm saying? Like, I wanna show people what I really can do. You feel me? Like, I'm trying to do this YouTube TV show deal. It's a lot of YouTubers doing detail. You got people that strictly boats. People that's like this strictly RVs. Me, I'm an all-around person. So y'all will see me with different things at different times, man. I deal with boats, I deal with RVs, I deal with hover around wheelchairs, man. Yeah, I said it. Hover around wheelchairs. There was a company I was dealing with. I was supposed to clean their cars, but a lot of times they'll have hover around wheelchairs that will come in there that some work was a little bit more dirty than what they thought, because it was used, and they needed somebody to clean them up, and hell, they had wheels on them, so I said, forget it, you know what I mean? I was like, man, forget it then. I'll go ahead and do it then. So y'all see all this little things going on with the paint. These little imperfections. Now, a lot of these things are just things that are sitting on top of the paint that I'll be able to clear off of the paint. Some of this other stuff would be stuff that I might have to fill in. That's if I go that far with it. Like little rust spots, things like that. That's nothing but like a touch-up pen. Yeah, so as y'all see it, the paint came back like I said. Y'all see that? Go ahead and take it all the way back here. Now that I couldn't really fool with getting that dent out all the way. As you see, the paint is broken. So it means that paint is weak right there. So I can't keep pulling somewhere like that, because it can potentially cause a major problem. Look at it. So y'all remember to look me up on Facebook, look me up on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, whatever that you want as a social media platform. I mean, like YouTube. This is a YouTube show that I'm trying to start. So yeah, YouTube, whatever you think, whatever you might be on. You know what I mean? Y'all hit me up. Y'all hit that like button, man. Please do that. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the follow button. Support your boy, man. This is what I do. You feel me? Let's go ahead and skim down the side of this. Yeah. So I did the engine last night. So y'all seen a lot of stuff. I did it at night. Then that was just because he was coming to pick it up today. Let's go ahead and take a picture of these homes. Look at that. Remember how they used to look, huh? You remember how they used to look? Look at this. So it took me a lot of work, and we might just go back through the inside, so I can show y'all the inside again. But as you see it, this is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. Like I said, he just trying to sell it. All he paid me for was the inside of the vehicle, but I decided to do a little bit more work than what he asked for, because sometimes it's okay to just practice on your skills and just try to better yourself. And that's what I was doing with this particular vehicle right here. So the outside was totally on me. I kept it over Thanksgiving Day and decided to do more to it. And if you see, look at this paint, man. Look how it came out. So I'm about to, I still got some wipe down spots I got to do. As I can see, kids being out here touching it. The dew set in this morning, that type deal.